is finally cooled off here, so I can get some things done in my garden, and I think we're gonna do a movie night tonight.
Just picked it's not quite right, but I guess you could eat them at any time. Tastes kind of jalapeno-y, but no spice. Kind of bland, almost celery-like. I guess we should give them some more time to change. Green is, it's green. It tastes like
So
it.
green, you're
It
like,
tastes
no
like
green.
it looks like a light green pepper, and it tastes like a light flavored green pepper. It's not bad.
Alright, so we'll check back when they turn red.
Yeah, first time try. Not bad.